To determine the price and output of a monopolistically competitive market structure, we need to consider that the monopolistically competitive market structure, they are producing differentiated products and they are engaging in advertising. Now, what I did here is I have the demand curves of these three market structures for comparison. Perfectly competitive market structure, the goods are perfect substitutes and the demand curve is horizontal or perfectly elastic. For a monopolistically competitive market structure, the demand curve is not perfectly elastic like a perfect competitive market structure, because this one, a monopolistically competitive market structure, they have fewer rivals compared to a perfect competitive market structure or a pure competition, and the goods are not perfect substitutes. So the products are differentiated and those are not really perfect substitutes. So monopolistic market structure, this will be less elastic than perfect competition. Now I'm going to compare this one, monopolistic, and a number 3, which is a monopoly market structure. A monopolistic market structure, number 2, is more elastic than a monopoly market structure. This is because this one, number 2, has more competitors than a monopoly market structure, and the goods they are producing here are close substitutes, though not perfect substitutes. So this one is most elastic, followed by this, and then followed by number 3, which is monopoly market structure. Just remember, monopolistic market structure, demand curve is more elastic than a monopoly market structure. Now, what happens in the short run? A monopolistic market structure can maximize a short-run profit or minimize a short-run loss by producing at the point where marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. Firms are going to enter when there is a profit, and firms are going to exit in response to a loss. And remember, one of the characteristics is easy entry and easy exit. However, in the long run, we are always going to have a normal profit. That means price will be equal to average total cost. And in the short run, we can either have a profit where price is greater than average total cost, or a loss where price is less than average total cost, or we might also have a normal profit in the short run where price is equal to average total cost. However, remember, this is similar to perfectly competitive market structure. In the long run, after entry or exit, we will always have a zero economic profit or a normal profit where price is equal to average total cost of production.